Day 17, it's time for our daily opening of surprises. Loving it so much. All right, day 17 is down the bottom here. Let's find out what's behind the door on the Lego Friends Advent Calendar. We've got... Yesterday we had a toy train. Today we've got some baking supplies, so we're going to be able to do some Christmas baking. This is why I made sure that there was a kitchen in the little build that we did to put our Advent Calendar mini builds into. These are so adorable. Okay, and it's heighted. No, it's going... I don't know where these words that aren't words come in my brain. So its height... I don't know. Is supposed to be for the size of the micro doll, so it's quite low to the ground, which is very cute. It's like a little kid toy table, which is lovely. And we've got some pink, some delicious pink to put in to whatever we're baking. We've got a bowl, and then we need to build the mixer. And this is such it's kind of like the colors on it make me think that it might be intended to be a toy mixer, like the karaoke machine was very kid colored as well, like it was a pretend, like a toy karaoke, which is the worst kind because the speakers on them are so bad. But anyway, so this is going to go over here and it just pops very nicely into the bowl. And then we have got, hold on, we need to lift that up by one stud. That's so nice. Okay, and we've got some eggs. So we've got pink and we've got eggs to put in here. I wonder what they're making. So these can go over, oh, hold on. We should probably, because the eggs poke all the way through those holes, so it means you're not going to be able to stick it down. So put the yellow bit down first, then put the eggs in, and then we've got a mixer for some Christmas baking. That's really cute. Okay, so let's move our little bunny rabbit just out of the way because we're going to put this over here in the kitchen. It's getting quite full in here in our little room, but we've still got room for everyone to fit in. Paisley and Ollie are going to stand over here and just stare at the mixer for a while until Rose is ready to come and help them. Okay, door number 17 for the Disney Princess calendar. We have got a Christmas tree. Now, every Advent calendar, no matter the theme, behind one of the doors, every year there is a Christmas tree. I'm actually surprised we didn't have the Christmas tree behind the same door in the Lego Friends calendar, because often it works that way. But I'm always blown away by how many different ways you can build a Christmas tree out of, just different ways. So this time we've got just a few pieces to go down the bottom to make the little triangle-y, twiggy, branchy kind of bit down the bottom. Oh my goodness, I probably shouldn't do these when I'm not coherent. And there's no bad time to open the Advent calendar. And then we put this on here, and then this goes in the top with a star. And so we've got the dark green little cheese slopes down the bottom, make it like it's darker down there. So we're having light and shade. That's so clever. And you can put the presents underneath the tree. That's lovely. All right, I'll see you here tomorrow for the next one. Bye.